Hello? Welcome to MPM Varieté. It's good to be back. My name is Péter Miklós, but let's just go with MPM because you'll never pronounce that right. Usually there's a comment popping up here, but since this is our very first international episode, yeah, there's no comment yet. So go ahead and write something in English or perhaps Danish, and maybe we'll be lucky enough to start the next episode with your sentence. Yeah, so let's punch the lecho.
Cultural note.
Let's punch the lecho.
Is a literal translation of a classic Hungarian expression.
Punch.
Refers both the act of hitting something and the enthusiastic initiation of an activity.
Lecho
is one of Hungary's most traditional dishes. A hearty vegetable stew similar to French ratatouille, but with a bolder flavor profile. Essentially, it means let's get started, but you know, with vegetables and aggression.
Since we're already stuck in this babeless language problem, the team figured the best solution would be to stop talking to humans entirely. So in today's episode we try to connect something more deeper, something closer to our ancestry, as close as we can get to just being a human. Animal sounds! The game is simple. I hear a sound and I try to recreate it as best I can. And who knows, maybe we'll go viral in the peacock community. Ha! Oh my god, I love this bird. The thing is, I actually got pretty close to this bird. I mean emotionally. The first time I saw it, something in my brain just stopped working completely. And for weeks, I kept imitating it. I mean really, for weeks. I don't know if it's a common thing or just a very specific mental illness of my own. But sometimes a soundbite gets stuck in my head. So now I'm honestly scared that after this challenge, I'll be making these noises for years. But with this bird, that really just happened. I'm not even kidding. For weeks, almost everything made me go, oh, wow, in that exact dismissive Wally girl tone. Oh, wow, just oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. But if we were to take this challenge seriously, it would probably sound something like this. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. Oh, it's kind of fun. Let's do the next one.
So cute.
Yes, he is.
What are we getting ambushed?
I totally support touching nature or whatever this is. That's a cat. Thank you. Next.
MashaAllah.
Oh yes, the good old masala camel. Honestly, I didn't even know camels could make sounds like this. I mean, what kind of noise do camels usually make? Definitely not this. Wait, what if this is the sounds they make? Anyway, I have quite a few friends who react exactly like this when someone touches them. So I wouldn't call this masala, it's more like throw mahala. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen! By the way, fun fact, did you know sloths only poop once a week? And their fur, it grows in the opposite direction of every other mammals because they hang upside down! So the rain in the rainforest where they live can run off properly. And also, algae can grow on it like actual green stuff. It turns their fur kind of mossy, and some people are researching that for medical reasons. And no, I have no explanation for why they sort of sound like an old squeaky door hinge. These are the real reasons people around the world started to connect goats with Satanism and the devil. Not the eyes, Not the horns, not their weird stare. No, 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 no. This. Because they sound like some pure human soul trapped inside a goat. Trapped inside a goat. That's a bit much. Oh, I just love this little creature. It's so sweet and so tiny. I just want to protect it. And honestly, every time I see this video, I feel a little bit sorry for it. It's a prey animal like me. Definitely overwhelmed. Poor thing. Just standing there, backing into a corner, lungs wide open, shouting for its mama. But empathy doesn't get clicks, not unless it's cut like a Netflix docuseries. So let's try to recreate this viral animal moment, shall we? Haha! Mama! I don't think I can do this. Nope, I can't do it. Not because it's hard. I'm just too busy feeling bad for him. I don't know what you expect from me. I can't do this. There's no way I could mimic this screaming sheep. I just can't. I know it's an extremely viral video, and I know that this is exactly the whole point of this episode. And yeah, I know it sounds like a person screaming, so it should be doable. But I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. I'm out. I'm empty. This camel just summed up my entire experience with this episode. And honestly, my whole life too. It's so freaking exhausting. I feel fully into the character. I'm a method camel actor. I'm feeling okay again, so here's a little something extra for all the guinea pigs out there watching. This one is just for you! You know what I said, and I know that you loved it, you guinea pig! Alright, let's get back to other animalistic animals. I mean this bird. And if the sound wasn't already perfect, just look how they walk. Zero intention to speed up, no consideration for the car, and absolutely no awareness of the outside world. Now that's pure dominance, hence the name, the American Woodcock. Okay, so this is the perfect closure for this episode. A true classic, needs no introduction. It's a turtle, yeah, and it's doing something. I think you know exactly what I'm talking about. The OG, the ultimate animal sound meme. Here we go! I can't top that. I mean, it was a pleasure for me and clearly for the turtle too. So yeah, this was our first international episode. Vote for your favorite animal in the comments, or don't, I will still love you. And if you want to support this chaos, feel free to follow us everywhere. Bye! Yeah.